Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you most advanced feature of WhatsApp. After watching this video, you will be able to create how to create a community and send message to thousands of people at once. Our WhatsApp community tab, you need to update your WhatsApp first. Click on the Play Store and then search WhatsApp Messenger and update it. Once updation is complete, then click open on your WhatsApp Messenger. You will find a community tab here. Once you click on community tab, here is the easily step to start your community and create your community easily. Click on start your community. Once click on start on community, you will see a community name. Here type a community name and then type a description, a short description related to your community. Once done, then click on the image and choose it from your gallery what image you want to keep on your community. Let's create and click on done. Once done, then click on the next tab and your community is created. For that, you need to add a few groups in this community to send message at once to all these group. Then click on you can also add an existing group to this community, or you can create a new group. So I will add existing group to this community. Let's have a click on these two groups and send to community. This group has been added to my community and click OK on this. Now our community is successfully created. Then once you want to send message to this group, then you need to click on forward community, and once I will send message to this community, it will send to this message to all this group at once. Most advanced feature of this community is then click on the three dot and you can easily edit your community. You can change your name or description, or you can manage your groups. Here you can delete or add your groups. And you can also view your member from this community easily. So this is our video how to create a community easily and send messages at once to thousands of people. Let's see in other video. Goodbye.